everyone. This video responds to two things. The first is the shortage of the ventilator in face of the coronavirus. Second is a response to an open resourced ventilator design made by Vanderbilt University professors and students. The response is, how about fabricating the machine using a 3D printer? What you see now is showing how the machine works. I used Autodesk Inventor to make it, and you will see later in an example how a part of the machine can be exported into a file that can be read by a 3D printer. This is my first time making a video, and the voice might not really match what you see now accordingly. I'll try to list what I thought so you could better understand what I'm doing here. The first is the original design required a table saw to cut wood pieces. That's for factories, I think. I personally don't have any individual around me having a table saw or drill. But as I learn architecture, many among us have 3D printers. Using a 3D printer simplifies assemblies, and the design could be totally different considering this. Second, the good thing about the original design is that you only need to buy few things, other than a 3D printer and the filament for the printer. These things are, first, car wiper motor. The second is a slider for shelf. The third is a manual resuscitator. 4, possibly a power supply for the wiper. Apart from these 4 stuffs, all can be printed. The third thing I want to say is maybe they need to recruit some more designers from industrial design or architectural design. If we are imagining that one could print this machine at home, it should be easy to be brought from home to hospital. And the fourth thing is that this remake or design is not a perfect one. It still needs more versions. Okay, so in the latter part, I put my making process in Inventor and the original video for the design made by Vanderbilt University crews. And okay, I'll just go back, continue my architecture design as tomorrow is Monday, a tough day. If you liked the video, please press the like button. If you have any idea on the design, please comment below or message me. Thank you.